Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the battery on a Bose Soundsport wireless. So let's begin. Get the left side, because the battery is located on the left side. Get a thin, very thin flathead. You go ahead, just start on the edges, and you will hit a groove. Sometimes you'll just have to go to the other side just to find it. There you go. And it usually just pops up very nicely. Just kind of make your way around. Don't stick the pry tool too far inside because there is a board that you could damage. So yeah, just go ahead and go around it. The board will be in the front, located in the front, the thinner section. So please try to avoid that. Keep the cover. If your cover is good, keep it. You could always use it and reuse it if you didn't puncture it or anything. We will seal it up afterwards. So pry up the battery. And those two tabs, just heat them up. Set it to about 250 degrees. Give the board some good heat. Not super hot to burn the board, but just enough to take those plastic pins off. You don't have to cut them off, you could just, they'll come right off and form its own shape. Unsolder the 2 points. There will be one on the top and the bottom of the board. Go ahead and get your replacement battery. The side that you could see all the resistors, go ahead and solder the red point solder terminal. Now go ahead and solder the right, or the black one, onto the other side. I usually like to use some helping hands, some tweezers, to help with soldering. It really does help so you don't burn yourself. If you're dealing with small wires, go ahead and solder that part on. Alright, once that is soldered on, go ahead and put the board back in. The resistors will go downwards, so go ahead and put them back into the pins, downwards. Once that is in, go ahead and clean up the excess glue. The glue comes off very, very easy. Go ahead and set it on there. See how it looks. Looks pretty well. Get your B7000. Go around the housing with it. Don't put too much, because then it's gonna make, it comes off, but it's just not gonna look very good. And it's all gonna leak inside also. Just put as much, just enough to seal it up. Apply the cover back on. Go ahead and take your rubber band. 3 times around is good. Just make sure what it does, it makes it stay in place so the cover is nice and flush, so it looks nice when it's finished. And that is how you replace a battery on a Bose Soundsport wireless. Thank you for watching.